Ever wondered what a certificate of origin is in export trade? Well, you're in for a treat. Picture this, a document that certifies that certain goods have been manufactured and processed in a specific country. That's what we call a certificate of origin, or COO for short. It's a crucial part of the export trade, forming the foundation for a seamless movement of goods across borders. There are two main types of certificates of origin. First off, we have the preferential COO. This one's a gem. It states that the products are subject to exemptions or reduced tariffs when exported to a country that extends these privileges. It's closely tied to regional trade agreements. Next up, we have the non-preferential COO. This one's for compliance with non-preferential rules of origin. It simply specifies the country of origin of the product, but doesn't provide the exporter the right to receive preferential tariff under preferential trade regimes. Getting your hands on a certificate of origin requires a couple of documents. These include a cover letter addressed to the Director General of the Indian Chamber of Commerce, a filled certificate of origin form, a stamped and signed shipping invoice, packing list and letter of credit, a PAN and IEC issued to the exporter, and a clearance certificate from the Customs Department stating that all necessary taxes and duties have been paid. Once you have all these documents in place, you can apply for the Certificate of Origin from the Office of the Indian Chamber of Commerce. And for those who prefer a digital approach, the Directorate General of Foreign Trade, or DGFT, offers an online portal for obtaining a COO. Simply register on the portal, log in using your username, and apply for the Certificate of Origin. You'll need to fill in some details, upload the necessary documents, and make a payment. Once that's done, you're all set. Your application will be reviewed, and if all goes well, you'll have your certificate of origin in no time. To sum it up, obtaining a certificate of origin is a vital step in the export process. It ensures a smooth trade of goods across countries, proving that the products being exported have been manufactured and processed in a specific country. So whether you're exporting textiles from Tamil Nadu or spices from Sikkim, remember, a certificate of origin is your ticket to seamless trade.